Welcome to our training on how to upload your own size charts for your products in Seller Central. Our self-service size chart tool can help you upload a new size chart or edit an existing one without contacting seller partner support. Size charts are the industry standard for sizing communication. Customers rely on size charts to understand product sizing and make informed purchase decisions on the best fit for their body measurements. Including accurate and reliable sizing information helps reduce customer returns due to incorrect sizing or fit. In this training, we will review what information to include in your size charts, how to upload them, how to edit existing size charts, and how to bulk upload up to 1,000 ASINs at a time. To get started, you'll need to know what information needs to be included in your size chart. This can vary depending on your product, as well as if you are including only local or local and international sizes. To create your size chart, you will need 3 pieces of information. First, your brand size. These are the sizes listed on your manufacturer label and should be the exact sizes the customer references when choosing from the size selector dropdown on your product page. Second, you will need the corresponding body measurements. These will vary based on the product. For example, men's pants will typically require waist and inseam measurements, whereas women's dresses may require bust, waist, and hip measurements. You will need these measurements for each brand size you sell. These can be a range or one value and should be in the local unit of measurement. Third, you may need to include other country sizes as well as local sizes in your size chart. This is especially important for products like shoes, which don't always have universal translations between international sizes. Once you have all the essential information for your product, you can get started with uploading your size chart. To access our self-service size chart tool, go to Catalog in the Seller Central main menu, then click Add Size Charts. The Size Chart tool is available for brand representatives and authorized resellers who have been registered through the Amazon Brand Registry. You gain automatic entry to the tool upon registration if you have a product listing in apparel, shoes, sports, or outdoors where body size chart information is applicable. If you're unable to access the Size Chart tool, you can contact your primary account manager to enable size chart permissions by clicking the settings icon and going to User Permissions. To edit or upload a new size chart, first select your target location. Next, search for an ASIN. Once you have selected your location and ASIN, you will be able to download a size chart template based on the location and product type you selected. To add or edit a size chart for multiple ASINs under one product type, you can search for any ASIN within that product type that is currently using the correct size chart, and it will automatically load the parent ASIN in the tool. Depending on the product, you may have the option to choose between a pre-filled template with existing measurements based on the ASIN or a blank template. If there isn't a size chart template available for the ASIN you selected, check that your website display group, department attribute, and product type don't have any catalog defects before contacting selling partner support. If the size chart still is not available, you can contact selling partner support to submit a request for a new size chart template. Size chart templates are location-specific, and measurements and information requirements will be unique to the location you selected. Templates are downloaded as Excel files. Make sure you don't add or delete rows or columns, as this will cause your template upload to fail. Now you're ready to enter or edit the measurements in your template based on your ASIN or product type. Any cells you leave empty will not appear on the size chart when it is published on the product detail page. Make sure to submit all measurements in the same unit, such as centimeters or inches, that is listed in the template. If necessary, the unit type will be automatically converted for you when the size chart is published on the product detail page. After you have added all the measurements for your ASIN or product type, you will select from one of 2 ways to apply your size chart. The first option you can select is across product type. This will apply your size chart to all ASINs across one product type from your brand. For example, men's pants. This is the least recommended option since different ASINs in a product group could have different sizing schemes or measurements that are specific to a certain ASIN's fit. ASINs with an existing single chart upload will be excluded from product type uploads. The second option you can choose is Select ASINs. This allows you to apply your size chart to a single ASIN or multiple ASINs under one location and product type. Whenever possible, try to upload only one size chart table to a single ASIN to ensure the information is as accurate and specific to the ASIN as possible. Choosing this option is most likely to reduce returns related to incorrect sizing and fit. However, you can upload up to 3 size chart tables when uploading to a single ASIN to support ASINs with specific sizing information. For example, a set that includes top and bottom measurements, or a plus and regular size chart. You can add up to 1,000 unique ASINs when using the Select ASIN option. Once you have added your ASINs, click Validate. A notification will pop up to let you know if they were validated successfully. If any were not validated, click Download the validation report in the notification box to learn why. You can still proceed with the size chart upload for all validated ASINs. Once your ASINs have been validated, you can upload your completed size chart template into the self-service size chart upload tool. If your template was filled out correctly, you will see a preview of your size chart. Review the size chart preview carefully to ensure everything is correct. If your size chart has errors, you may get a notification to correct these errors and re-upload your size chart before you can publish. Errors may include mismatched sizes from your size selector on the product page, missing measurements, incorrect units of measurement, incorrect measurement range order, or garment measurements being used instead of body measurements. Correct the errors listed in your error report in the Excel template, and then re-upload the template to continue. The size chart preview will populate when all errors have been addressed. After double-checking your size chart preview, your size chart is ready to publish. Size charts will be visible on your Amazon product detail page within 8 hours of publishing through our self-service size chart tool. Now you're ready to start uploading and editing your own size charts with our self-service size chart upload tool. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.